Asterisk Karnataka tops India with 19% youth aspiring to be digital influencers, 16% to found startups. The IQO Quest Report 2024 asterisk. IQO, a sub-smartphone brand of the Vivo Group, announces the release of its first The IQO Quest Report 2024 with Cybermedia Research, CMR, on the Gen Z traits and trends on dreams, career, and aspirations. It encapsulates insights from 6,700 respondents aged between 20 to 24 years, 7 countries: India, United States of America, United Kingdom, Brazil, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. In today's era, fame and success are measured by online popularity, fleeting as a blink in the fast-paced social media world. 2.5x of national average Gen Zs in Karnataka want to be a leading digital influencer. 2x of national average Gen Zs in Karnataka want to become an entrepreneur and be a part of the startup ecosystem.
And what the youth really cares about, what are their dreams, their aspirations. We know, and today, as I stand here, I know I am in the startup capital of India, right? Bangalore is really the startup capital of India. So the opportunities in Bangalore, or the exposure the youth of Bangalore has, is much bigger than maybe some of the other, even metros, forget non-metros. So we did this study. We will like to show you some of the data points on what kind of dreams and aspirations the youth of today have. India versus
a study and a detailed report which understands the youth of this country today, benchmarks them against some of the biggest countries globally. So we know that what is it that they want, what are the barriers that they face, what is the support that they require. So unless we know this better, we will not be able to help them. So that was the starting point for the Quest report. And we will...
my name is Nipun Mare. I am the CEO of IQO India. Today we have launched this report called the Quest Report. This is a global youth study which we have conducted to understand the youth better. What are their dreams, aspirations, where do they want to build their career in, and we have found out that new age careers are really shaping up. In this report we have also talked about what are the challenges and the barriers that the youth face today. So I would urge each one of you to go through this report and also share it with more and more people. Thank you so much.